What's up, people that put the gay in gang? It's me, your good pal Gary Dane. And today's Unorganized is a little special request match from King of Poggers. He requested this like 3 months ago, and then when Philip wanted the Unorganized arena remade, he was like, oh shit, I forgot to take this request. So now he's remembering, and there's Tian Yiming. I don't know what his deal is. He's like a pale little dude. He's got a shit-eating grin, and he's fighting Carl Wheezer. Though he requested to go by Carl Wheezy, because I don't know why I would go by Wheezy. I feel like Weezer's better, because you get like the comparison with the band. But Wheezy, that's just like the penguin from like Toy Story, and like, why would you want to be him? That's not a fictional character you want to be. Nobody wants to be Wheezy. I don't even want to be wheezing. I'm always wheezing on the ground. But so yeah, we're back at the baseball arena for now. Here comes that guy. Yeah, King of Poggers, can you like give the context to this dude in the comments, please? Cause like, I do not understand this fellow. Like, what is his thing? What is his gimmick? What even is his character? I don't know his character. Well, there's certainly. Why am I taking a random shot at King of Poggers' mom? I don't even know her. Why am I so mean? That's what I get for being a random audience. Oh yeah, and next few Unorganized is this a script from Philip says that I have to point out the fact that a lot of Unorganized are gonna have different commentators, and then it's like, if they find a commentator that sticks, then that'll be the main one. But I think I'm in the lead because I'm Gary Dane. I got the experience. You don't have the experience. I do. Here comes Carl Wheezer. Why do I keep insulting people? I have a horrible habit of insulting people. I'm a jerk. I'm becoming like, I'm just like a really angry stoner. Seth Rogen's a pretty angry stoner, but like, yeah. Sometimes he's cool, sometimes he's angry. It just really depends on the day. Weed either really calms him or really rouses him up. I don't know. Seth Rogen is a complicated fellow. Unlike our guy Carl Wheezer. He just wants to ride along with Jimmy Neutron's mom. That's a passion I can respect, especially from Carl. I don't know if he'd be a situated for any other situations, so you two are my bodyguards for now. But if y'all do your jobs good enough, then we can work some out. But until then, Carl Wheezer, he throws not Demi Fiend, fucking, oh my god, the Carl fucking backflip. Jeez, oh my god, how did he do that? Oh my god. What the frick? He humps his arm. He just humped that man's arm. Carl is just going on beast mode with that agility, that power. Carl might be like the total package right here, right now. And look at the, oh my god, how did he do that? Like, how is that even possible? Carl is blowing my mind right now. And he throws him like a baby. This is one hell of a squash match. He can just jump that high too. Is there anything Carl Wheezer can't do besides get Jimmy's mom? I don't think there's anything else he... Oh, what's he doing to him? No, Carl. Oh my god, breaks that guy's face open. Carl is murdering this man. We are witnessing a live murder. Oh my god. Carl. You're insane, Carl. Uh-oh. Oh, God, breaks his spine. We're gonna need a hospital. We're gonna need a hospital after this. Oh my god. Pump handle gutbuster now. Just breaking everything. Carl with the flicking flying 450. Oh, how? Jeez, Carl is just flying around. He is destroying his enemy. Oh god, what's Carl got playing? He's calling him up. Perhaps a little bit of the Carl Clash. The other one being the Llama Drama. Oh, the Carl Clash. I think that's it. A2D. Carl Wheezer just annihilates this guy. Oh my, what a squash match right here. Carl is a beast. Don't fuck with Carl Wheezer. Look at all the moves he did. He can backflip, he can throw you, he can jump really high, he can fly, he can do flips. Oh my god. The only other wrestler I can think of like that is Spoderman. I might have to put these two in a match to see who is the future, because we got some strong contenders here. Carl Wheezer, he might be the alpha male of our species. You know what I mean? He has to be. I'm betting on it. I'll bet with my fists or my clothes. I'll bet with something. But anyway, here's Carl Wheezer. His hands are birds, but you can vote for us if you want. You can look at us up. And yeah, you all have a good old day, because I'm Gary Dane, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Save me, Jack Battle. Bye.